Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So today we will learn how to insert a table and smart art in our PowerPoint presentations. So without wasting any time, let's start. So as you can see, this is a page on which we will insert our table of monthly sales. So to insert a table, you just have to click on the insert box. After clicking on insert tab, you can select the rows and columns. So I will select the 6 rows and 6 columns. So after clicking, as you can see, our table is ready. So now you can move it at any place like this. You can also change the size of this table by clicking on the corner. So now to enter anything in the table, you just have to type it by clicking with your mouse button. So you can simply type anything just like this. We can also insert or delete other rows and columns in our table. To do this, you have to click on the layout option. After clicking on the layout tab, you can see in rows and columns group there are some options like insert above, insert below, insert left and insert right. So if I will click on insert below, so it will insert a row below, and to delete you just have to click on the delete option. Now I will select delete row, so it will delete the entire row. So now as you can see, this is a complete table. So in this table you can do many simple editing also, like you can change the height. If you click on distribute rows, so it will distribute the height of each row equally. Now in alignment group, you can also change the alignment. So I will choose the center alignment. It is looking much better. So now as you can see, there are two boxes. So we can also merge them in a single box. To do this, you have to select the boxes. After selecting, there is an option of merge cells. So after clicking on merge cell, it will merge two cells into a single cell. So now you can also change the design of this table. You have to click on the design tab. After clicking on design tab, you can see there are many options are showing. So click on the drop down arrow to view more other options. So as you can see, it is showing many options, so I will choose this one. So now our table looks like this. So there are some other options in table style option, like first column. If I will click on first column, header row, so it will change some editing in our table. So now we will discuss how to insert a smart art in our PowerPoint presentation. So to insert a smart art, you have to click on the insert tab. In illustration group, there is a option of smart art. So you can choose any smart art according to your requirement. So I will choose the hierarchy type. So select any one of them and click OK. So as you can see, it will insert a smart art in our PowerPoint presentation. So to do some changes, you just have to click on the given boxes and you can simply type anything which you want to type in that particular box. So it is very easy to type, and you can also directly type on the boxes. You just have to double click on that box and you can simply type it. You can also make some changes. To do this, you have to press the enter key. If you will press the enter key, it will change the position of that box, as you can see. And if I will click on the backspace, so after clicking on backspace, it will change it to the previous position. So now let's delete extra tabs. So to delete the extra tab, you have to click on the backspace. So after clicking on the backspace, it will delete extra boxes. So let's delete them. Click on this one also. So now it is looking much better. So now you can do some simple editing in your smart art. So in design group there is a option of smart art styles. Click on drop down arrow and select any smart art according to your need. So I will click on this one. You can also change the color of this smart art. So it will show you some predefined color. Choose any one of them. It is looking much better than before. You can also change the layout of your smart art. To change the layout, there is the option of layouts. So in layout, if you will click on drop down arrow, it will show you different layouts. So I will select this one. So let's change the formatting. To change the formatting, you have to click on a particular box and click on format tab. In format tab, it is showing many options like you can change the shape, you can change the size of the shape, you can fill the shape with any color, you can change the outline, you can change the shape effect and many more options. So I will change the color of that particular shape. So I think now you know how to create a table and how to insert a smart art in your PowerPoint presentations. So that is it for today, students. Thank you so much.